Okay, and here is one last infinite sum exercise 161. The first term is 5. Oh, okay, hold on. Something's very sneaky here. You might think the first term is 5, but actually the first term is not 5, because when you plug in I equals 1, we're starting at I equals 1, what do you get? When I equals 1, you get 5 times 1/2 to the power 1. 5 times 1/2. And when I equals 2, you get 5 times 1/4, and so on. So the first term is not 5, which it kind of looks like it might be. The first term is actually 5/2. So this is the sequence. A is the first term, is 5/2. The common ratio is the ratio of any two terms. That really is 1/2. And if you wanted, it's not B, it's R. Let's call it R. If you wanted to be careful, you could do the ratio of two terms. 5 times 1/4 divided by 5 times 1/2, the ratio of the second to the first term, to get that the ratio is 1/2. So the first term is 5/2. The common ratio is 1/2. By the infinite sum formula, the sum is equal to A divided by 1 minus R. In this case, it's 5/2 divided by 1 minus 1/2, also known as 5/2 divided by 1/2, also known as 5. Which, okay, maybe it's not so surprising in retrospect that the answer would be 5, because another way to do this problem, an option B, another way to do it, if you were so inclined, you could pull out the 5. You do 5 times I equals 1 to infinity of 1/2 to the I. So factor out that 5. And this thing in the big brackets, we've done a bunch of times. It's 1/2 plus 1/4 plus 1/8. That famous sum that is equal to 1. It's 5 times 1. So there you go. We did it two ways, and then the answer is 5. Either way you slice it.